My personal information. My family. My name is Gina Lorena Gutierrez Sandoval. I am 27 years old. I am from Yopal Casanare and I currently live 3. I live with my 2 children and my husband. I am a merchant and I study a bachelor degree in Chile, pedagogy, to be a teacher. My hobby is to be in family and enjoy movies or teaching books. My favorite television show is The Guy from A. Family's description. There are 3 important people for me. My family husband is a policeman. He is 27 years old. His name is Julian Novoa. He is a very honest man, an excellent father and husband. Our children are Luis Manuel, 7 years old, who is studying first, and Julian Salvador, who is 4 years old. I like my family and I thank God for it.